Wildfires have been cause for concern due to dry conditions in western Keloland, and a wildfire broke out yesterday evening near Wasta, South Dakota. Fire departments responding from a 3-county area reported a grass fire with flames between 3 to 5 feet high.
As of last night, the containment area was at 2,500 acres, but firefighters reported difficulty to suppress the fire by rugged and inaccessible terrain, darkness, and multiple fires in the area. No injuries have been reported as of yesterday. More assessment of the fire will be done in the daylight hours today. Fire departments determine the cause of fires to be from lightning.